Year 7. I hope you're all well and managing to balance your academic work with your enrichment and relaxation activities. This week the weather's been a lot better, which has been nice to be able to get outside and enjoy some sunshine on our daily exercise. Please remember to reply to your Lesson A tutor's email. It's a really important task that does help us to help you a little bit better in these strange times. Let your tutor know how you're doing, and if you need any support, your tutors can contact your teachers. Your work for the week, as usual, can be located on Show My Homework. You need to be checking it to make sure you can write a schedule that works for you. If you need help, you must email your class teacher. If you're not sure how to do that, type their surname into your Gmail account and you will find them. Now, for Year 7, one of our focuses, of course, is reading. It's very difficult because we haven't been able to run Accelerated Reader while we're not in school, but we really hope that you have been reading. I know lots of your tutors have been sharing ideas with you, and you have been telling your tutors what you've been reading, which has been lovely. At school, the teachers have got a bit of a book club running at the moment as well, so we're sharing our ideas about a book that some of us are reading together, but apart, obviously. Your reading will really help you in the long run. It is one of the most valuable things you can do to support your education long term. So even if you're struggling with some of the work that has been set, you can always find something to read that is going to support that. Okay, so do look out for things that you're able to read. Share books with other siblings and so on. There's plenty of information out there. Last week I read you a little bit of a poem, which hopefully got you thinking a little bit. Today it's more of a thought that I want to share with you. Always end the day with a positive thought, no matter how hard things were. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. So I know some of us have days when it's really difficult, but if you can find one positive at the end of the day, then find that positive. You're going to find the next day comes a lot better. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Stay indoors, stay safe, and take care.